Welcome in world of technology. Huawei P20 UK release date, price, specs, and rumors. The P20, P11, is coming soon. The P10 launched in March 2017, and we had hoped to see a new phone at MWC, but it was a no-show from Huawei. Instead, the Chinese company is doing its own event in Paris. See the video below, where it's rumored to announce the P20, which was previously thought to be the P11. Here, we'll summarize everything we know, including the latest rumors from around the world. Huawei P20 UK release date rumors. The Huawei P20 was rumored to come out at MWC 2018, the European mobile tech event that takes place every year in Barcelona. However, with the event now over, we didn't see any new phone from the Chinese manufacturer. We do, however, have a new date for you: March 27, 2018. The phone, will presumably be announced at a dedicated event in Paris. Huawei P20 UK price rumors. After the release of the P10 at £550 and the P9s £450 price tag, the P20, regular, pushes the boat out even further at an estimated £605. The Pro and Lite are rumored to come at £800 and £330 respectively. Huawei P20 specs rumors. The Kirin 970 already features in other flagship Huawei and Honor devices, so we wouldn't be surprised to see the super snappy processor and chipset featured in the Huawei P20 and P20 Pro. However, the P20 Lite is rumored to come with a lower spec at Kirin 659. The Kirin 970 processor is built at TSMC using its 10nm FinFET manufacturing process, which improves power draw and overall efficiency. It'll be an improved variant of the one found in the Mate 10. A huge 6GB of RAM is expected to be included too, with 4GB of RAM being most certainly included. 64 to 128GB of internal storage is expected, with expandable storage providing up to 256GB of storage space available on the P20. Huawei P20 design and display rumors. The Huawei P10 has an elegant design that comes in a fantastic skew of colors. We'd expect the premium build quality and design of the P10 to be carried over to the P20, and from the leaks by Evan Blass on Twitter, credits to him for the images below, this seems to be the case. All the P20 variants have an elongated iPhone X notch-like IPS display with a resolution of 1080 x 2280. As for their designs, they differ slightly. The regular P20 has a dual-lens rear camera, a matte finish, a front-mounted fingerprint sensor and a USB Type-C port with no 3.5mm headphone jack. The P20 Pro differs, by having a third camera lens at the back. The P20 Lite, however, has a glossy finish, two rear-facing cameras, a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Huawei P20 camera rumors. Huawei is rumored to bring out a 3-lens flagship phone, while the regular and Lite versions ship with a dual-lens camera only. As for the aperture and the zoom, a major talking point with the new S9, Huawei is rumored to have used a Leica-branded f/1.6-2.4 aperture and 27 to 80mm optical zoom on the P20 Pro. The regular P20 gets a f/1.6 Leica lens, while the Lite uses a non-Leica f/2.2 lens. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time on the other R videos.